Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Stitch Fix. I'm very excited for this Stitch Fix. I'm going to insert on the screen right here. I think I took a screenshot of what I sent to my stylist Madison. Not 100%. If I did, it's right here. I'm also going to stick in a screenshot of my Pinterest board. I finally updated it and I'm very excited about that. I asked for some spring styles. We are about to go on a cruise. You hear my dogs. We're about to go on a cruise and I need some new spring clothes. A lot of my clothes are too big for me now. I have dropped into a size 6. Mostly, some things, if they run small, I'm still an 8. But I have lost 15 pounds and I'm still going, and I'm hoping, you know, I can keep going. Anyway, so there you go. If you want to know what we're doing, you got to watch the weekly vlogs. I do a weekly vlog on that kind of thing. So there you go. I am now a affiliate of Stitch Fix, an ambassador, whatever you want to call it. Now, I will leave my link below. You click on my link, I get $25, you get $25. It's just changed a little bit for me, where now I don't know exactly how it's paid, but it's just paid a little differently now. You know, I have access to like advertising tools and things like that with Stitch Fix now. And they sent me an email and they're not charging me for my annual pass this year. So that's fantastic. I'm very pleased with that. So there you go. All right, so let's get in here. I just want you to all know that that's what I am. I was a little disappointed I had done that initially when they reached out and asked me, and now I understand it a little better. So now I'm not as, oh my goodness, no. All right, you can see that stripy goodness right there. Here's inside the box. All right, let me put this down. I am so excited about that stripe. One second, I forgot to put my phone on silent. So here's my envelope. It normally would have, this just fell out. And my return envelope, anything you choose not to keep, need to exchange, whatever the case may be, you slip right in here and right in your standard mailbox, right in front of your house or wherever your mailbox may be. Or if you'd like to get a receipt, you can drop it off at your post office box, or your, not your P.O. box, your mailbox. Post office. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here is my price sheet, and this right here is my styling sheet. Very excited. I'm going to read the note to you in 1 second. We have things right here is my bundle, but this, which is in here, is what I'm most excited about. Okay, let me put my glasses on. Let's read the note very quickly. My sweet Madison, she's my stylist, is pregnant, so I'm hoping yes, she's still there. Okay, you ready? Spring, let's see, what fix is this? This is my 25th fix. That's crazy. Spring is in bloom, Favor. I am feeling good. Oh, okay, she only has not too much longer to go. Thanks for asking. Enough about me. Great job on your weight loss. Oh, thank you. I'm excited for you to try the summer styles I included for you to pack along for your upcoming cruises. I started you off with the tinsel short and olive. This is a Bermuda length style, the pair style of the pairs you enjoyed last year. What do you think of the length? I'm not real fond of Bermuda because I'm so short, but we'll see. We'll see. I also included the scallop detail shorts from Lily Pulitzer, inspired by the vibrant shorts on your board. I sized you back up in these because they've been running snug. I was able to find the Mercado Global Weekender bag to include for you today. It also comes with a tote that comes with a lower price tag. Okay, each purchase goes directly to the artisan communities helping moms send their kids to school, which is really great, which is a really great cause. XO Madison. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. The company, that was one of the things that intrigued me about this bag. I got an email from Stitch Fix, you all probably did, about some of their new lines, and this bag was one of them. And I love the story behind it. You know, it makes you feel good about spending a little more on something. It makes me not mind it, if that makes any sense. You know, when there's a cause behind it, when there's a donation behind it, when there's when it helps another person, I really like that, and I'm willing to spend more on it. there you go. So let's just get into this beautiful bag starting. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh yes, I love this. Okay, I'm sorry, I have to put my glasses back on because I just can't see without them. Mercado Global is a Brooklyn-based women's accessories brand that highlights the refined craftsmanship of heritage Mayan loom weaving. Mayan, M-A-Y-A-N, excuse me. Each purchase goes directly to artisan communities, helping mothers send their kids to school. Mercado Global and Stitchfix. This is fantastic. It's, you know what, this bag is not heavy. Oh, this is just gonna be outstanding for a cruise. Yes, okay, so you get a carry-on bag for a cruise, and wide straps, wide shoulder straps is so important. You get more than just a carry-on. You can bring whatever you want. I'm just saying, as for a carry-on for anything, if you have to travel and carry something over your shoulder, you want wide straps. And that was what was super appealing about this, outside of the beautiful story behind it. This is great for a port bag. This seems washable. Oh, this is gorgeous. Inside it's lined. I don't want to pull this apart because, you know, I have to check that price tag. So, oh, here's more about the bag. Each Mercado Global bag touches multiple hands before reaching yours. This piece was hand woven by indigenous women artisans in rural Guatemala. Mercado Global partner artisans earn 3 times their former daily income, which is invested back into their families and communities. Each purchase helps mothers send their children to school. Shown here is Maria Julia Chavaget with her daughter Nacheli Souza Gonzalez. Pardon me. On behalf of everyone at Mercado Global, we thank you for your support. Oh, I just love it. Absolutely love it. Oh man. Okay, so let's look in here. All right, so you can see there's a zipper pouch, and there are 2 slide, well, the zipper's on this side and the slide is on that side. And it's fully lined. Look how wide this is on the bottom. This bag is excellent. It is a giant bag without being massively heavy. Yeah, excellent. Excellent, excellent. Excuse me, Amazon, I'm busy. So there we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I absolutely love this. I love the stripe. I absolutely love this. When I saw this, I went straight to wherever I could to pin it, and I pinned it to my board immediately. I am so excited that they can send it to me. Okay, price tag, I'm a little concerned about, but okay. Oh, there's so many pretty things in here. All right, let's get into the bundle. You know what, let's go ahead and go over the price of that bag. $118. Wow. Totally worth it because of the story behind it. Oh, that's not in my budget. We're gonna see. Look how cute these are. Oh, the little skeleton. Oh, those are precious. Okay, these are Lily Pulitzer Buttercup Short Blue inside. Ooh, $64. I don't know about that because I'm still losing weight, so I don't know about that, but boy are they cute. Super duper cute, and they're stretchy but not super stretchy. These are really adorable. Okay, all right, and these, look at these. These are the Bermuda she was talking about. I love the green. Okay, these are the Tinsel. I love Tinsel shorts. Tinsel Millicent Cuffed Bermuda Olive size 6, $42. Oh, so expensive, but really cute. Really, really cute. I like those. Oh, I love this stripy top. Look how cute this is. Only problem, it wrinkles. I don't want wrinkly shirts that wrinkle because when you put them in your luggage, I don't iron on vacation. Just don't. But I do like this stripe a lot. This is by FENWICK Ulrika Split Neck Top, white, medium, $36. Very cute. Love the stripe. Love it a lot. And this is a navy blue and an army green and a cream color. Love it. Oh, look at the lemons. How cute. Oh, that's super cute. And then the back is striped. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so this is a Kaylee Cara mixed material top in black, medium, $44. So super duper cute. Okay, all right. So sorry. Now you've seen me try everything. Let's try that again. Now you've seen me try everything on. Now I'm gonna go try everything on and find a way to buy this bag, and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be a tough box. I cannot keep all of this. So let's go over, watch out, the dog's right here. Let's go over the total. For everything in the box, it's $304 with the $76 buy all discount, 25%, brings my total to $228. I absolutely cannot keep everything, and I don't really want to. So let's start the bag. I love the bag. I love the bag. Go get this bag. They do not sell this bag on their website. So on the company's website, what am I trying to say? In Mercado, oh, what's the name? I'm so sorry. Mercado Global's website. This bag is not available on their website. And this is the one I love. Absolutely love it. And the bags are considerably more expensive on their website. So keep that in mind. Stitchfix is offering a really great price on these. And the benefit is still going back to the company. I'm going to find a way to keep this bag. Even if I have to extend my checkout, I'm going to find a way to keep this bag. I'm keeping the bag. One way or another, I'm keeping that bag. I absolutely love it. Okay, so the next is this top. This is so cute. I love this. Love it, love it. This is mixed media. It's $44. I feel like that's a little expensive for what it is, but it's super cute. I love the stripes on the back and the lemons on the front. But I'm gonna have to see, because again, this bag, the bag is all the bag is the focus of this box. So, but we will see. Okay, and the other top, this one, it's okay. It's too big for me. It feels too big on, and the shoulder under here is a little big. So I would need to drop down to a small in this, but I don't really want to. It's a wrinkly shirt. It's sheer. So in light, I feel like you can see right through it, which it's okay if you wear the right bra. But if you get sweaty in port or anything like that, it's going to make it worse. And I don't want, although it is light, loose, flowy, it's just not the right top for me. Even at, it is $36, which is a really good price, but it's just not quite right for me, and my budget is squished. These shorts, they're cute. I don't like the length. I honestly don't. Although I do prefer a longer short, I don't prefer a Bermuda short. It's just not for me. I'm glad she sent it so I could try it. We now know the 6s fit. They're a little loose in the waist, and there's a lot of give, and I know that they stretch. So that's something to keep in mind. I need to watch my sizing. So with Stitch Fix. I love tinsel shorts. Love them. I have a couple of pair in my closet now from Stitch Fix from last year. I wore the heck out of them, and they just are entirely too big for me now in the 8. So I'm very excited about this. These may still be an 8. No, these are a 6. I love these. I absolutely, positively adore these shorts. Adore them. They're a little loose in the waist, and I feel like they might stretch as you wear them, which means they're going to start falling down. I honestly I'm at this price point. These are $64. Yeah, and I love them like I love this bag. Oh, hello, Yasmin. Like I love this bag. I do like the length of these, which last year was new for me. The length of this short was actually new for me last year. I had to get accustomed to that, and it's fine now. It doesn't bother me anymore. I don't know if I can keep these. It's $64, and I'm losing weight, and I know that they're not going to fit that long. That's kind of a hard investment for me. a really hard investment for me. If they were a snug 6, like if it was snug and I knew, oh, excuse me, this is an 8, they run snug. If they were a snug 8, then I would say, oh, okay, then they'll fit me down through my next size. You know, they'll be okay, but they're not. They fit well, but they are loose in the waist. I don't know. I love these, absolutely love these. And I think it's the color in this tulip hem down here. I think they're just adorable. I love them. So, but I don't think I'm going to be able to keep them at the price point, because if I were in this size and that's the size I were going to stay, I would have zero problem giving you, I would have problem giving you $64. I would have no problem keeping them. So, but I know this brand, Lily Pulitzer. I think that's like some fancy brand. I don't know. So there we go. Okay. Alrighty. Such a great box, Madison. She's just so awesome. She knows me. She knows what I love. This little top is just precious. And so the items in this box, would I be keeping the shorts? 100%. I would be keeping those shorts. I totally would, but I can't. I can't invest $64 in something that's not going to fit me in probably a month. So, but boy, do I want to. Maybe I could get them altered. Would I though? Probably not, but oh, I love them. This little top is precious. I really like this top. So of the things in the box that I would absolutely keep would be the blue shorts, the Lily Pulitzer tulip shorts. Yes, this top, and 100% this bag. This bag is mine. It's mine. It's not going anywhere. It's perfect. I cruise in a week. It's coming with me. So there you go. So I'm just gonna have to kind of think about the other 2 items, see where my budget is for clothing this month, because it is the end of the month. So Miss Yasmin coming in. So there you go. So like I said, the total of the box is $304 because I specifically asked for this bag. I asked her to send me this bag. So normally she wouldn't send me things in this budget at this price point, but I asked her to, and totally worth it. So there you go. Okay, I'm gonna leave my link below, and I will leave Stitchfix linked below. You do whatever you want to do. And thank you if you click on my link. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. If you click on anybody's link, they will appreciate it just as much as I do. It is a huge help, especially for those of us who focus on unboxings on our channel. It means a lot to us, and we really appreciate your support. So there you go. All right. I'm going to go and try and make a decision. I don't know how I'm going to make a decision, but I'm going to try. And you'll know what I keep by what you see in my cruise vlogs coming up. So there you go. All right, I'm going to talk to my husband about these shorts. I'm not going to be able to let them go. Maybe I will get them altered. Who knows? I don't know. I love them that much. I might. We'll see. All right. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this Stitch Fix. I hope you enjoyed this fix and me stumbling over my words. I'm so excited. I can't help it. This bag is on my mind. I'm very excited about it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll give Stitch Fix a try, and we'll see you next time. Bye.